Good morning, dear teacher. Receive award grading. My name is Catherine Delgado. The theme of this video is how can language differ? First, let me tell you that language is greatest creation made by the human being. Since it's the ability to express your ideas and feelings through oral or written word. Language is a virtue that humans possess, which makes it possible for us to interact with the people around us. In the world, there are several languages, but many of these, being the same, can vary at the moment of being expressed. This is because each culture has a different vocabulary, grammar, and accent. The latter is known as dialect. The dialect refers to small details that can differentiate the same language. This is given by the geographical difference, the economic situation, or level of education. Usually, the dialect is associated to a certain group in a territory. For example, the Spanish language. South America speaks the Spanish language, but each country has its own way to expressing it. Many words vary and the tone of the voice change, but in the end, it is the same meaning. Another example is English of United States and English for England. There are words that are specific to each country, and the accent also varies. Only by paying attention to the way of speaking of each person can you tell which country you belong to. Only your country, there are 4 regions, and the geographical diversity makes the dialect change in these 4 despite belonging to the same country. In the interview, I realized the teacher agreed that the language used in a certain territory can differentiate from another due to the factors that it presents. Since each ascension has its own identity and a unique culture. My conclusion is that the language can change due to external factors which play an important role in our way of expressing yourselves. I consider that the geographical situation is one of the main reasons. Often the climate or the nature that surrounds us affects your way of life into influence or way of speaking. Thank you, teacher.